Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're stepping into the golden age of American luxury with one of the most elegant full-size sedans ever built, the legendary 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood, finished in a stunning white exterior with a beautiful white interior. This classic Cadillac represents everything that made American luxury cars famous around the world. Massive dimensions, graceful styling, unmatched comfort, and a smooth driving experience all come together to create an unforgettable automobile. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who appreciates timeless design, you're going to enjoy every moment of this video. So sit back, relax, and let's explore one of Cadillac's finest creations. The first thing that captures your attention is the incredible presence of the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood. Even by today's standards, this car looks enormous. The long hood, extended wheelbase, and elegant proportions instantly announce that this isn't just another luxury sedan, it's an icon. The white paint enhances every chrome detail, giving the Fleetwood an exceptionally clean and prestigious appearance. It reflects sophistication from every angle. Moving toward the front, the signature Cadillac chrome grille dominates the entire fascia. The intricate vertical pattern shines brilliantly, while the iconic Cadillac crest proudly sits at the center. On each side, stacked quad headlights provide a distinctive look that immediately identifies this classic American masterpiece. Massive chrome bumpers wrap around the front, adding both protection and elegance. Every inch of chrome reflects Cadillac's commitment to craftsmanship during the golden era of luxury automobiles. Looking along the side profile, the Fleetwood showcases one of the most graceful silhouettes ever designed. The body stretches effortlessly from front to rear with perfectly balanced proportions. Chrome trim runs along the windows and body lines, emphasizing the vehicle's premium character. Large white wall tires paired with polished wool covers complete the authentic vintage appearance. Even parked, the Fleetwood carries itself with dignity and confidence. The rear of the car is equally impressive. Long vertical taillights blend beautifully into the massive rear fenders, while another wide chrome bumper adds symmetry to the overall design. The Cadillac badging, Fleetwood emblems, and elegant trunk lid complete a rear end that remains instantly recognizable decades later. It's a design that values simplicity, elegance, and timeless appeal rather than aggressive styling. Every component feels substantial and carefully engineered. Opening the large doors reveals an interior that truly lives up to Cadillac's legendary reputation. The white cabin creates an atmosphere of elegance unlike almost any modern vehicle. Plush seating, soft materials, and expansive space immediately make occupants feel like they're entering a luxury lounge instead of a car. The front seats are exceptionally wide, offering remarkable comfort for long-distance cruising. Thick cushioning and supportive padding provide a smooth ride even over imperfect roads. Every seat is upholstered in premium white material that perfectly complements the exterior finish, creating a sophisticated monochromatic appearance. The dashboard follows a classic horizontal layout with elegant wood grain accents and polished chrome details. Large analog gauges provide clear visibility while maintaining the vintage aesthetic that enthusiasts love. Every control feels simple, intuitive, and beautifully integrated into the dashboard design. The steering wheel is large, thin-rimmed, and finished with chrome accents, perfectly matching the luxurious personality of the Fleetwood. Behind it, the driver enjoys excellent visibility thanks to the expansive windshield and upright seating position. Driving this Cadillac feels more like commanding a luxury yacht than operating a typical automobile. The spacious rear seats elevate passenger comfort to another level. Thanks to the Fleetwood's generous wheelbase, rear passengers enjoy limousine-like legroom. The wide bench seat allows multiple adults to travel comfortably, making this an ideal luxury sedan for executives, families, or formal occasions. Storage throughout the cabin is generous, while the massive trunk easily accommodates luggage for extended road trips. Cadillac designed this vehicle for effortless long-distance travel, and its practicality still impresses today. Under the hood sits Cadillac's legendary 472 cubic inch V8 engine, one of the largest production engines of its era. This massive powerplant produces effortless low-end torque, allowing the Fleetwood to accelerate smoothly despite its considerable size. Instead of aggressive high-revving performance, the engine focuses on quiet strength and relaxed cruising. Power is delivered through a smooth automatic transmission that shifts almost imperceptibly. Acceleration feels effortless rather than dramatic, perfectly matching the luxurious personality of the vehicle. Whether pulling away from traffic lights or cruising down the highway, the Fleetwood delivers power with remarkable refinement. Ride quality remains one of this Cadillac's greatest achievements. The suspension effortlessly absorbs road imperfections, creating an exceptionally smooth driving experience. Large body dimensions combined with soft suspension tuning make every journey feel relaxed and comfortable. It's easy to understand why Cadillac earned the nickname, the standard of the world. Steering is light and comfortable, prioritizing effortless maneuvering over sporty handling. This vehicle was designed for smooth boulevard cruising rather than aggressive cornering. The result is a calm, confidence-inspiring driving experience that perfectly reflects American luxury philosophy. Braking performance was excellent for its era, with power-assisted brakes providing reassuring stopping capability. While modern braking systems are naturally more advanced, the Fleetwood remained surprisingly composed when properly maintained. Fuel economy was never the primary focus of a luxury vehicle like this. The enormous V8 engine delivers smooth power rather than efficiency. Owners appreciate the experience, sound, and effortless performance far more than fuel savings. Today, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood has become increasingly desirable among collectors. Well-preserved examples continue to gain attention because they represent one of the final generations of truly massive American luxury sedans before changing regulations reshaped automotive design. Depending on condition, originality, mileage, and restoration quality, prices generally range from around $15,000 for project-quality examples to over $50,000 for beautifully restored or exceptionally original collector-grade vehicles, with rare show-quality cars sometimes commanding even higher values. Maintenance remains relatively straightforward thanks to the availability of classic Cadillac parts and a strong enthusiast community. Many owners enjoy restoring and preserving these iconic automobiles, ensuring they continue turning heads at classic car shows around the world. Beyond its specifications, the Fleetwood offers something many modern cars struggle to provide: character. Every drive becomes an occasion. Every arrival feels special. The elegant styling, luxurious cabin, smooth V8 engine, and unmistakable road presence combine to create an unforgettable ownership experience. If you're searching for a classic American luxury sedan that perfectly captures the glamour of the 1970s, the Cadillac Fleetwood deserves a place at the very top of your list. It remains a symbol of prestige, craftsmanship, comfort, and timeless elegance. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed exploring this beautiful 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood in its elegant white-on-white specification, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future classic and luxury car reviews. Let us know in the comments what classic Cadillac you'd like to see next. Until next time, thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep enjoying the world's most incredible automobiles.